Chapter 15, Part 1, Translation. Here we have the question, Atil la, and that we have the subject inverted, that is after the verb, and we can translate this as, is he there? Or is it there? Depending on how we're going to translate il. Is he there? Est qu'elle l'a dit? Here we have an eska that we're not going to translate it. Then it says, she said it. So we would change that to the question, did she say it? It's a passé composé. SEC. Now here we've got the word say, C apostrophe EST in inversion. So this would be, is it here? And the answer would be, oui, c'est ici. Tuledentil. Okay, now we've got a lot of pronouns here. We've got the il as a subject inverted after done. So is he giving? And then we've got to sort through the pronouns. The direct object is le. Is he giving it? And then to has to be the indirect, to you. Is he giving it to you? Me l'a-t-il donné? Here we've got a lot of pronouns plus a helping verb. So the inversion occurs after the helping verb, and we've got that extra T, so it sounds good. So it's gave. So did, here's the subject, inverted after the verb. So did he give? And then we've got law, the direct object, give it to me. Did he give it to me? So for a lot of these, you just have to sort through the pronouns, go very slow and very carefully because each one has a specific meaning. You don't want to just get a few and then guess. You want to go through each of these little words to know exactly what it's saying. Here we have, y avait-il une réponse? And so this is the expression il y a, there is or there are, that's with inversion, so the il's at the end, and this is in the imperfect tense, so was there une réponse? And the answer was oui, il y avait une réponse. Yes, there was a response. So this is the imperfect with inversion of il y a.